Welcome to the shop where I just got my winch in from a 2020 Turbo RZR. For my winch, I went to Quadboss. I picked up one of their 5,000 pound winches. This winch comes with your installation and operational manual. It also comes with your product warranty card. It comes with your hook strap. It comes with your hook. It comes with your roller fire lead bracket. It comes with your roller fire lead. It comes with a 250 amp contactor. It comes with 4 cables. You got your red and your black, your long cables. Then you got your blue and your yellow, your short cables. It comes with your remote, in and out. It comes with the nuts and bolts to match your contactor. It comes with a bag of nuts, bolts, and washers for installing your winch and your fire leading. It also comes with a red and a black cover to go over your cable that goes on the winch end to protect your winch from the elements. And it comes with your winch. Your winch is marked. You got blue on one side, yellow on the other. So that's where your cables go. Your contactor is marked where all of your cables go. They're all painted. The winch, it's got a engage, disengage on the spool. Now for my setup, I also picked up one of the wireless remotes. Now this wireless remote, all it does, it ties in to your contactor, and all you got to do is hit a button. I don't know what the range is on it, but you got a button for in and a button for out. When you see the light light up when you hit the button, you know you hit the button, you know the batteries are still good. But anyway, that's what comes in the kit. So let's get this thing installed. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and mount my roller house onto my winch plate. Now with the roller house mounted to the universal plate, I'm going to go ahead and set my winch into place. Before installing my 4 bolts, I'm going to go ahead and put a couple washers on them and a little blue Loctite. To access these bolts, you just reach up behind the bumper. Now with the winch bolted down, you're going to need to figure out where you want to put your contactor. Now I'm going to put mine under the dash where Pliers has already got the location marked. So in order to make that a little easier, I need to remove my windshield and my top of my dash. So I'm going to do that real quick. Next, you've got 2 push pins that hold this pocket into place. Next, I need to remove these 2 Torx bolts under the hood. You need to remove these 2 Torx bolts, 1 on each side. Now with all 4 Torx bolts and the center pocket removed, all you got to do is lift up on the dash and then you can set it out of the way. Next, with the contactor mounted, we can start running our wires. And instead of using the blue and yellow for my short wires on the RZR, you're going to need the longer, the red and the black wires. And I'm going to go ahead and start from the winch and work my way back to the contactor. So I'm going to go ahead and install these rubber covers. And on here, you've got a blue and a yellow. It don't matter which wire you run to that, whether it be red or black, but just remember, if you put red on blue, put red on blue on the contactor. That way they match up. And something I like to do on electrical connections when I got something like this, I like to put a little quite a bit of dielectric grease on it. Now with the contactor mounted, I'm going to go ahead and mount my remote. With just a little dielectric grease on my remote, I'm going to go ahead and plug it into the socket. Now to attach the remote, instead of bolting it down, there's a bar under the dash. I'm just going to take a couple zip ties, wrap it around that bar. Now I'm going to take this jumper wire here. You've got a red wire coming off the contactor. I'm going to run it off a toggle switch. That way, whenever I flip a toggle switch on, then the winch will be activated. If you'll notice, I put a jumper wire on this going to the solenoid, and this goes to my winch switch. And the reason I do that is so that light comes on when I flip a switch on. That way, if I look down, that light is on, I know the switch is turned on. And the last thing I'm going to do is hook up my main power wire. Now, after going over everything and making sure everything is tight and everything looks good, I'm going to go ahead, flip my switch on, and test the winch. Now on the remote, if you hit the out button, the winch should spool out. And if you hit the in button, and if you need it to freewheel, you've got a latch on the side here to disengage the clutch. You disengage it, and the winch should pull right out. Then when you get ready to winch somebody back, winch yourself out or winch somebody else out, engage the winch, hit the in button. Now I'm ready to put my dash back on, put my windshield back on. We get that done, we'll be ready to ride. Now with everything put back together, we're ready to ride. That's all there is to installing the Quadboss winch on my RZR Turbo. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the trails.